Are you sitting on unused Google Play balance and wondering if you can move it to Cash App? In this video, I'll walk you through a simple workaround so you can make the most out of that balance. Stick around until the end because I'll share a key tip to avoid losing your funds. First, let's access your Google Play balance. Open the Google Play Store on your phone, tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then go to Payments and Subscriptions. Tap on Payment Methods, and you'll see your current balance displayed right at the top. Take note of this amount and its expiration date. Google Play balances usually expire after 1 year, so don't let them go to waste. Now, here's the important part. You can't directly transfer your Google Play balance to Cash App, but there's a clever workaround. Linking your Cash App Cash Card as a payment method inside Google Play. Go back to Payment Methods, select Add Payment Method, choose Add Credit or Debit Card, and then enter your Cash App Cash Card details. Follow the on-screen instructions until it's successfully linked. Once your Cash App Cash Card is connected, you can use your Google Play balance for purchases where this card is accepted, effectively routing your spending through Cash App. This method doesn't literally send your Google Play funds into Cash App as cash, but it lets you use that balance to cover transactions tied to your cash card. Quick reminder, use your balance before it expires because once it's gone, there's no way to recover it. And that's it. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more quick money hacks and tutorials. I've also left helpful links and tips in the description so you can set this up today. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.